Alright, what's up? Again, another video. But I deleted the other video. I'm such a dummy. I didn't supposed to say that, but I make a video, but I don't know why. But yeah, so you really think, guys? LOL, LOL, LOL. Oh my god! 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 Oh, that is the luckiest. That is like the luckiest we ever, man. That I love. Alright, chat. Alright, chat. I'm excited because I want to beat this. Alright. I'm not talking. Ballerina cappuccino. Alright. It's 1 minute and I'm not falling. Let's go. Let's go. I'm a legend Thanos. I fall down. Wait, there's a hacker. So wait, someone. Oh, I got the time. Bogot actually got caught. I lost. I fall down, man. Hey, look, this bacon tried to do that. Nah. LOL. Kid shot. Nah, kid. LOL. I'm out. Let's go. Easy peasy lemon squishy, baby. Easy peasy lemon squishy, baby. Let's go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. The pushali kawaii. Alright. Wait. But I'm gonna make another video. It's a 4-second video. And another one, I'm gonna make a other video. So alright. Take a side eye one more time. This video ends. Take a side eye one more time. And this video ends. Take a side eye. This video ends. So gotta lock in, chat. Alright, this video ends right now, man. So that is today's video again, but it's only 3 minutes. Not gonna lie, it's kind of good, but next video I'm gonna make a main account with 4-second videos, and then in the other video I'm gonna make an alt account with the Cowbell or the Bamboo King. So because you want to see that video, like and subscribe, and see you again, boys. Bye. LOL.